Well, hello and welcome to another exciting adventure of what am I doing today? Well, I'm taking a break on the tractor because I'm out of grease and I should hopefully have some later today, possibly. But what I need is a new chicken hutch. And I was looking at what pieces do I have laying around left over from this crates that I already built the other stuff. And I think what I'm going to do here, if you don't already know, take a peek at these pieces parts. These were the two ends of the crates, and I figure those two I could put on hinges. Need to open a door somewhere. That would be the rise. Cut that out. I figured out access. This would be the back access, and then the sides would be this board here. And unfortunately, I'm going to have to cut it right at a diagonal, like right in the middle, and that would be my slope. That this is right here. That's the window I cut out of the brooder, or actually the chicken hutch. That's the window for the chicken hutch. Use these pressure treated on the outside to screw everything to from the inside, and also give this to screw in from the outside hinges. To figure that out, I'll probably have to run a board across here to hinge those into. The top one possibly hinge up, the bottom one hinge down. Roosting bar, and this should hopefully make the cage inside the wire mesh cage, square cage that would fit inside there. So that's what I'm going to try to do, and let's see how it goes. Thanks for following along, and see you in the next video. Ready? Okay. So what I've done is I've calculated the exact middle of this board, which is right here. Okay, this is the exact middle. And then I placed, this was going to be my rise. This is the exact middle of the board of the rise, which shows from here, I can mark my upper and lower points of dividing this board in half. And then I connect the points from top to bottom to run through the center. Of course, I need a straight board. This is not straight. And a board like this would create an arc on one side and a dip on the other, so it needs to be straight. But basically, we have 42 and 1/8 inches that way, 47 and 5/8 of an inch that way from this line, and vice versa. When you come over here, we have the exact same here, 42 and 1/8 inches from this line that way, 47 and 5/8 inches that way. So these boards will be, exactly the same size on each side. And some of the calculations I did, of course, it's very close to 90 inches, but I always do the calculations over here and stay in school, kids. So now I'm going to bust out the circular saw. I need to get a straight edge. I might use one of these 2x4s over here and cut this. I need a table too. I'm not going to do it on the tractor. So let's get to that. Of course, I have to have a supervisor on hand. Check out this cut. Match up here. Yeah, I got a little wicked, a little wild in the middle there. But hey, it's a chicken coop. You want a little bit of ventilation. Okay, so now let's start bolting it together, shall we? Ready, Max? Get set. Okay, this is the front, but I'm missing hardware. So once I get some hardware here, the bottom door will kick open. Right now, what I have in place is one roosting bar, because there's only 3 roosters right now. I'm going to work on the floor, and then I have the back door right now The front door will do the same thing, but basically that's how they'll go in. They'll go in there and roost up here. And I have the roof right here. I got a bigger piece. So let me work on doing the floor and getting the floor in place, and I'll show you that in a minute. Ta-da! So as I said, when I get some hardware, I'll make this bottom door work. I've also been thinking of putting this up on cinder blocks and or some 4x4 legs that I have sitting to the side. Left a little gap all the way around the top. And as you saw back here, here's the door that they're going to go in and out of for the moment. And then what I did for here, keep the roof on for a second, is I put a little board back there to catch it. I'll just put a brick on that. So there you go. There's my chicken coop in a day, a couple hours. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope to see you in the next video. And I'll show you some upgrades as they happen. Love you later. Bye.